Learn web scraping from industry experts. Every quarter, we launch a new webinar to bring you valuable insights and share the latest web scraping trends. Now, let's recap and enjoy the best moments from ready-made web scraping tools.
Ready-made scrapers. What are the ready-made scrapers?
Of course. So ready-made scrapers are usually sort of templates with preset parameters that allow you to simply input a query and scrape a particular target. So these ready-made scrapers are usually based specifically on targets, and they can save a lot of time when compared to building your own custom scraping solution.
Mm-hmm. So basically this is a pre-made scraper that usually our clients are using, we are maintaining, and basically it needs to fit the target that they are planning to scrape, right? Something like that.
Absolutely. They're tailored basically specifically for these targets.
Okay, so in that sense, are there any specific industries that these ready-made scrapers could be helpful with?
Absolutely. I can share some examples of what our users are using the scrapers for, as we see growing demand for these niches. So probably the most popular targets are e-commerce marketplaces, where scraping infrastructure such as a ready-made scraper can help extract pricing details, which is obviously needed for competitive advantage, such as running pricing comparisons.
Want to see the full webinar? Register and watch it today.